Hi everyone. So I'm being guided today to share with you another one of my gifts. I am a Reiki master. Most of the time I only share this gift with people that order readings with me, but I've done an occasional collective Reiki energy cleansing. But today I'm being guided to do Reiki with two of my crystals. I tend to gravitate towards raw crystals, so I have some jet and some lapis lazuli here. We're going to be calming the mind today. There's a lot of stress in the energy that I'm picking up for. So you can just sit and close your eyes. You don't have to watch me to feel the healing energy. These are both protective stones, and they both have this mutual connection to protection on your spiritual path. So maybe some of you are newly awakening. There's also a connection between like suppressed anger, okay, and how suppressed anger can cause health issues. So this helps you to move through the fears of releasing saying what you need to say. That's the lapis lazuli. Jet goes back to the Stone Age. Whew. You may or may not get tingles or chills. Some people feel coolness. Some people get really hot from Reiki. So whatever you're feeling, just allow yourself to experience it. If you don't, just say you don't want it. If you want it, you can come back and watch this anytime. Okay. It's also for headaches. There's a lot of mental confusion and stress, a lot of overthinking. And this is the overthinking is clouding your judgment or somebody's judgment here. Take a deep breath in. Hold and blow out slow. Something I personally like to do is I breathe in for 4 to the count of 4, and then I hold until the count of 5, and then I blow out for 6. So let's do that. I try to do that 3 times in a row because it completely resets you and calms you down. So maybe you're having a lot of anxiety. Yeah, I just keep hearing over-processing, overthinking. Okay, they're showing me the 9 of Swords card from the Tarot. It's like somebody staying up late at night. All right, they're telling me I'm going to send you. The Reiki was channeling through the crystals, but I'm going to give you a big blast here. So you may feel you may feel it here, like a gust of wind or somebody blowing on your face. Just gonna, like an egg cracks over your head. Remember that game we used to play as kids, the dot dash, giving somebody the chills? That's how they told me to express it. An egg cracks over your head, and just let the tension release. It's just leaving your energy field. clearing out the cobwebs of your mind. So maybe there is a lot of, I'm hearing shame and guilt. It's coming to the surface to be released. It's not even your shame or your guilt. It's things that have been passed down. You've been taught to feel shameful for the thoughts. We're moving into a time where the universe wants us to let go of the facades. Shake ourselves free. Of the people that we play for the world to see. You're perfect as you are. You were created to be who you truly want to be. Watch this video as many times as you want. It'll help you break free a little bit more. I'm gonna make some more frankincense. Some of you may even be able to smell it. It's literally the most amazing smell. Right, yeah. I felt a sigh of relief. I feel that some tension has eased for you. I look forward to connecting to you again. I love you. Have an amazing day. Bye.